So let me show you exactly how a high converting video ad script works in your meta ads. If your meta ads, now you can see my mobile screen. There you can see this is my client your budget script. I did for I made it for him, and the 60 seconds conversion engine. Okay, there is you can see this is my client name, and it's the he has a beauty salon clinic. Okay, let me go in the direct. I divided the script in three parts. First one is, and this is the hard 0 to 10 second. Here you will get the pattern interruption, then you will get the plain explanation, and after that authority signal. In the next one, you will get the shift, and the first one is the truth bomb, and the solution into transformation and social proof, and then last one is a close. You will be able to see audience filter, offer plus urgency, and call to action. Okay, let's share me my client's script, how I did it. First you can say that are you still trying to shift that star born fat and still getting nowhere? So this is here is you can see the explanation, the pain spacity and the loop of failure. That means they are doing it again and again, but they can't remove their star bone. Okay, then next 3 to 6 seconds, this is the experience that you have tried creams, you have tried the diets, workout, but that one area just will not go away. And honestly, it starts making you feel like you are the problem. All right, here you can see the relatability, frustration stacking, and the angle. Introduce deep self blame, the ultimate psychological vulnerability this ad will solve. Okay, the third one you can say that is 6 to 10 seconds. So here you can see the we are specialized and my client's business name, and the right here and their what should say low area, and their specific area. We have been in business for 5 years with 65-star Google review. So why it's a very crucial point. They in the past time I didn't use that hi hello because your viewer do not care about that who you are. They care about their problem. If you mm, find out their problem, then they will watch your video. Excuse me. That's why I didn't use hi hello. Okay, just systematically you have to prove yourself. You have to introduce yourself. This is the way I made my client introduce self to his customer, that we are specialized. All right, and the 10 to 15 second, and this is the truth bomb. This is the truth bomb. You suddenly you have to attack them. All right, so against the topical creams simply can't reach the fat cell. Right, they are doing the same thing, but they are not getting results. So you have to find their what should I say, specific pain point, because they are doing it every day, but they are not getting result. So, and cardio does not, I can see cardio does not let you choose where you lose. Women have been sold the false hope. Women have been sold the false hope. All right. So here you can see the old belief and the new belief. Old belief, that's mean the I am the problem, self blame, and high friction. And now you can see the new belief. The method was problem. What they did, the process was wrong, and the area blame, what they are getting something from by the influencer, and they are trying to do it again, but they are not getting result. So this is the area blame. And the high high receptivity and false hope refrain, and they are, what should I say, spinning in the same hope that if I do the next month, if I use this cream, and it will reduce my fat. uh, I think that you're getting me. And the last 15 to 25 seconds. All right, here you can see the fat freezing is completely different and introducing the unique mechanism to remove the friction. All right, now you can see that the fat freezing is completely different, clinically proven, permanently destroy the fat cell, permanently destroy the fat cell. No needles, no surgery, no downtime. All right, so now you just remove their friction. Why they will choose your service? Okay, all right. Now it is 25 to 35 seconds. And this is selling the identity transformation over the frame. Oh, that means that what they will get after this treatment. Now you can see that, imagine wearing your favorite outfit, smiling at your reflection, and feeling confident, comfortable, and free. They will, they tried to reach this situation, but they didn't. But right now, if they take this service, this fat freezing, they will get this position. You have to make them imagine their what should I say, believe that how they will transfer their body. All right. Now it's 35 to 42 second. Engineering the perfect testimonial with the hard and softer. Now you can see that. Take the shara. This is a social proof. You must show the social proof, and because you will be able to see that this is our common what should I say, mindset, that when we listen something better from someone, then we automatically try to do that. You have to now take the last 6 centimeters from her waist. First time she felt comfortable in her own skin. Right now, that you have to show after taking your service what he or she feels. All right, the real validation and the unbeatable believability. When they will show the social proof, some real project, it will be the unbeatable believability. Now you can see the 42 to 50 second. This is not for everyone, not for a unique temper, all right, but for real lasting chance. Why you have to filter your audience? Because if you don't want to get the garbage leads, so that you have to filter the way. This is not for everyone, because getting 100 leads and converting 2 or 3 is better than getting this means I say that, on the other hand, when you will get 40 or 50 leads and converting uh, 8 to 5 leads, sorry, 5 to 8 leads or more, than which one is better? So that's why you have to filter your audience. And the 50 to 60 second, and this is the what should I say, last one. We are currently offering a free consultation, limited number of slot available this month. Tap below. Now this is your just low risk. The first is you can see the low risk entry, free consultation, genuine scarcity, limited slot, and the singular directive. This means tap below now. All right, so this all about it, that how you will make your video script, because after this intermediate update, you Facebook algorithm will understand everything on your video. It will understand your tags, it will understand what you are saying, your script, your overlay, all the things. That's why without script, without voiceover, if you make video ads, so YouTube, sorry, Facebook algorithm will be confused that that what exactly, why it was made, and who and where it will be taken in front of your audience, right? Thank you guys, I think you understand. And if you uh, struggle with your meta ads getting leads, so you can comment on my comment section. Just drop a script, then I will audit your script. Thank you.